Hello kids, good morning everyone. I'm your teacher Mrs. Ritu Bajaj. I'm going to teach you maths, and earlier also I have sent you some pics and worksheets also. So once again we are going to revise place value chart. So let's start. There are two place value charts over here. One is called Indian and the other one is called International Place Value Chart. So let's start with Indian place value chart. A place value chart is divided into a number of periods. In the Indian place value chart, the ones period has three places. That's called ones, tens and hundreds. Then comes here the thousand period. It has only two places, that is called 1000 and 10,000. Then comes the next one, that's called lakhs period. Again it has only two periods, that is called lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then comes the next one, that's called crore. Again it has two periods, that's called crore and 10 crore. So we have here ones period, thousand period, lakhs period and crores period. In the ones period it is divided into three parts, that is ones, tens, hundred. Then the thousand period, again it is divided into two parts, that is 1000 and 10,000. Lakhs period, again it is divided into two parts, that's lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then crore periods again divided into two parts, that's crore and 10 crore. So let's now start how to write a number name or in words. If a large number is given over here, how we can write that large number in the number name. So let's start with one example. Let's take this number. It's a large number over here and we have to write its number name. You can say number name or you can say in words. How we can write this large number in words. So there are certain steps for that. What are these? First of all, we'll write the first of all we'll put the comma according to the periods, like ones, tens, hundred. We'll put comma over here. 1000, 10,000, we'll put comma. Lakh, 10 lakh, we'll put comma, and this is crore. And this will make our work very easy. How? Now what we are going to do, we are going to write according to the place value that is written with the given digit. Like this 4, under this is written crore. So what we are going to write, 4 crore. Now see the next one. This is lakh and 10 lakh. We are going to read them together. We'll read them together. How? This is 34 lakhs because both are in the lakhs period. That is lakh and 10 lakh. So how we are going to read that? 34 lakhs. Then there comes 1000 and 10,000 again in the same period. So we are going to read them together. What is that? 32 thousand. Now what is left? 940. So we are going to write it all together. 940. See, this will make your work easy. Now you can write it easily, you can read it easily. How? 4 crore 34 lakhs, then 32,940. Clear? Now let's take one more example. This is example number 1, this is example number 2. Suppose we are taking this number. Done. Now it is given in the exam, suppose it comes to write its number name or write in words. So again, the solution is very easy. How we are going to do that? First of all, we'll put the comma according to the periods. Now let's write it. Ones, tens, hundred. One period is over. Put comma over here. 1,000, 10,000. Put comma over here. Lakh, 10 lakh. Put comma over here. This is crore. Now this will make your work easy. How? Now start writing from here. What is this? 1 crore. So we are going to write that. 1 crore. Now see the next two numbers. It's 0 and 3. 0 and 3. It's not written 30. It's only 0 and 3. 0 and 3 makes only 3. Okay. So this is, both the numbers are given in the lakh column. So we are going to read it together. This is only 3 lakhs. Now come to the next one. This is 5,000 and 4 10,000. We are going to read it together. 4 and 5 together makes 45,000. And what is left? 674. We are going to write it all together. So this is 674. Clear? Now the next one is international place value chart. International place value chart, it has some different periods over there. So let's write their periods. One's period, it is like Indian place value chart only, that is one's period, tens period and hundreds period. It is just like Indian place value chart. Now what is different in that? The second one is 1,000 period, that is all same. What is the difference over here? We have 1,000. We have 10,000. And international place value chart has one more column that is called 100,000. So what we have learned over here, that the 1,000 period has all three places over here. First one is the 1,000, then 10,000 and then 100,000. Then there are no lakhs column over here. Here comes million. Millions period. Again in millions period we have millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Again million column have three places over here. Millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Then comes billions. Get it? Suppose we have given one example over here. Let's take the same number over here. 43432,940. It comes in your exam to write this number according to international place value chart. Steps are just same. What you have to do? You have to put commas according to the international place value chart. Okay. Let's start from the right side. This is ones, tens, 100. One period is over. So we'll put comma over here. Then comes 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Now see, there is one difference. There is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Three numbers are there in the 1,000 period. So we are going to put comma over here. Now this is million and this is 10 million. Get it? Now again it's very simple. How we are going to write it? We are going to read the each period individually. How? This is million and 10 million, so we are going to read it together. This is 43 million. Now this is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. All three numbers are there in the 1,000 period. So we are going to read them together. This is 432,000. Now see over here, what is left? 940. So we are going to write it all together. 940. See how simple it is. Let's take one more example. It's 1, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4. Again, it's a large number. And we have to write this number in words according to International Place Value Chart. So, see how you can do that. Again, it's very simple. We have to put commas according to each period. So, let's do it. Ones, tens, hundred. We'll put comma over here. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. We'll put comma over here. This is million and this is 10 million. Again, it's very simple. Now what we have to do? We have to just read them together and write it. Million, 10 million, we are going to read together. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, we are going to read together. Then the ones period we are going to read together. It's very simple. 1 0. 1 0 means 10. So how many millions are there? 10 millions. Now 345. All together we have to read 345,000. Now what is left? 674. So it's simple. 600 and see, it's very simple, kids. Okay. Now comes the expanded form and short form. Expanded form. How to write a number, a large number in expanded form. Expanded form means we have to expand that number. For example, if we have to write this number, large number in expanded form. So what we are going to do, again we have to write their place value first of all. This ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Now write it, expand it. How? First we are going to write this 4. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. So what we are going to do, we will put 6 zeros over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We'll put plus. Write on the next number 3. What is the place value over here? Lakh. We know in lakh 5 zeros are there. Okay. Or you can count the number of digits. 1. After 3 it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you have to put 5 zeros over here. Plus, what is the next digit? 7. Either you can check out the place value or you can check out the digits after that number. See, the place value of this 7 is 10,000. 10,000 means how many zeros? 4 zeros. You can put 4 zeros directly, or you can count the number of digits that are coming after that particular digit. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4. See, the next digit is 2. You can check out the place value. 2,000, simply write it. Or you can check out the digits after this particular digit. After 2, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. So you can put 3 zeros over here. Then plus, then comes 9. Check out the place value. It's 100. So you have to write 900. Or the other method, you can check out the digits. 1, 2. So you have to put 2 zeros over here. Next comes 3, 30. And the last one is 0. So what is this, kids? This is the expanded form of this large number. It's very simple. Now opposite of this expanded form is short form. What is a short form? It is just opposite of this expanded form. In this expanded form, we used to expand the large number. In this short form, what we have to do, a expanded form is given over here and we have to turn that expanded form into a short form. See one more example over here. Suppose we take expanded form is given over here and we have to put that in a short form. This short form is again very easy. What we have to do, write down the place values over here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, you can put crore and 10 crore also if you want. Okay, if it is needed over there. Now what we are going to do, we are going to write the place values over here. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and this is lakh. Ones, tens, hundred, and this is thousand. Ones, tens, and this is hundred. Ones and tens, and this is ones. Now it's very simple. In the ones place, we have to write 7 over here. In the tens place, we have to write 4 over here. In the hundred place, we have to write 9 over here. In the thousand place, we have to write 5 over here. Get it? Now what about the 10,000? There are no 10,000 over here. So what we are going to put? We are going to put 0 over here. After 1000, it is given lakh only. There are no 10,000. So what we are going to do? We are going to put 0. Now comes 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. In lakh place, there is, what digit is there? 1. So what is your answer? 1,05,947. This is how you can change an expanded form in a short form. I think all is clear to everyone. So we'll meet again with a new video. Thank you so much.